Hello guys, good morning. So another daily activities. This car, GMC Terrain. The customer complaint for this is there's a loud noise when the engine is running. So uh, I came under to check whether the exhaust pipe or the muffler have a leak, but I never noticed any leak in the underneath. So what I'm doing is I remove all the engine cover. This is the top cover. This is the intake manifold pipe cover, and this is the exhaust muffler cover. I noticed already that there is the smoke is smoke.